Welcome everybody. This is my friend Glenda. I am going to give her a transformation makeover that is going to make her look and feel fantastic.
world, baby. Yeah. Oh, listen now. Now it's a man I wanna tell y'all a little something about. He looks so good, it's just like candy that melts in my mouth. I can't believe the way he makes me wanna scream and shout. Can I get with you? Take this picture, can we work it out? They say it's unladylike, and I don't wanna sound so bold, but I ain't never been the type to not get what I want. Can you rock me, baby? If you do, then you know I love you. Can you rock me, baby? If you do, ooh, can we groove, baby? Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Can we groove, baby? Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Now when you look at me, boy, you make me feel something special. Inside, outside, left side, right side, I never felt nothing better. You make me lose control. You light me up inside, oh baby. You're irresistible. I gotta have you. I can't shake it. You keep me rolling, gotta get going. Got no time for playing. I need your love and kissing and hugging. Ain't no time for faking. Hey, yeah, you know I love you. Can you rock me, baby? If you do, can we groove, baby? Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Can we groove? Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Can you rock me, baby? Can you rock me, baby? Come on, yeah. Can you rock me, baby? Can you rock me, baby? Come on and rock me, baby. Rock me, baby. Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Said I can't make it. Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. You're irresistible. Can we spend some time? Baby, just you and I. Can we groove, baby? Said I need you, baby. Spend some time. Said I love you, baby. I can't fake it. Just you and I. Yeah. Yeah. Rock me. Should rock me, baby. Rock me. Should rock me, baby. Should rock me, baby. Rock me. Should rock, baby. Rock me. Should rock me, baby. Rock me. Should rock, baby. Baby. Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Can we groove, baby? Can we spend some time doing what we like? Baby, just you and I. Listen now.
Girl, what do you think, Glenda?
Oh, I love it.
She looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. This front lace wig is a wig that is available at my website. There is a link, Miss Lola's online store, where you can purchase this wig and several others. And if you'd like a makeover as well, my contact information is in the description. You are going to have a good time tonight, Miss Faye.
Yes, I am.
Thank you all so much for tuning in. It's been really fun being back down here in my wig salon. Hopefully I'll be back down here even more, or with another transformation makeover, or with whatever you might expect here on Miss Lola's Hair and More. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Let's say bye to them, Glenda.
Bye.
Take care, everybody.
Take care. Love it.
Love it. Girl.